Assalamualaikum guys. Today we are at the Yummy Burger and Barbecue spot in Frisco, Texas. We will be heading inside and ordering a couple of burgers, and we'll see how they taste, and we'll give you guys a good review. Thank you. I'm deciding what to order. I'll be getting the bigger chicken burger and the yummy egg burger. I'll be getting the review. Guys, the burger was really good. I would definitely recommend the beef burger because it's much more cooked, and my brother, he had it and he recommends it so much. But yeah, overall, food was really good. The fries were excellent. Yeah, definitely recommend this place. Thank you for watching. See you next time.